I'm in the kitchen with my daughter Gracey today, and she's going to be making my banana oat cookies. Really simple, only 6 ingredients. Don't eat all the chocolate chips. Oh. To make this, we're going to be using oats, coconut oil, chocolate chips, salt, honey, and a banana. To start off, we're going to mash up the banana. Then add the oats, honey, and coconut oil and mix those together. Now add the salt and chocolate chips. Mix again. Then get a lined baking tray and form the mixture into balls. Give them a little press to make a cookie shape. Mom, can you come put these cookies in the oven for me? Awesome. Thank you. They go in the oven for 15 minutes. They look ready. Mom, cookies! Top with a few extra chocolate chips whilst the cookies are still warm.